Hello, this is Devraj from Shure, and this quick video is to give you an overview of the new STEM control, which is a control device for the STEM ecosystem. And that's what I have in front of me, and I'll take you through a quick walkthrough of how to what all features are there in the STEM control and how to manage the STEM ecosystem using this. So on the home page, you will see about 6 logos. Let me just start with the one at the right bottom, which is the quick start. This is basically an option to use when you are setting up a new STEM ecosystem altogether. So you can go through the quick start wizard to set up the STEM ecosystem easily. And once you have the room or the devices in place, that's when it will show up in the ecosystem as devices, and that's what I have here. I have all the STEM ecosystem parts or devices in this in this section, and I can basically individually access them and configure them, or I can go back and add those devices in a room, which I have done here. So I have made a room called Regus, and then I have added the STEM devices in here, and then I have various configurations to test the room, make it basically optimize for this particular space using the room adapt and few other additional settings like room check, and see the heat map of coverage from here. So that's what you get on the room side. And if you are designing a new space using the control, you can do that using the design wizard. And this is what I've done here. I've basically set up a room, placed the wall, table and ceiling microphones, just to give you an example. And the pickup show pickup option gives you the coverage of these microphones. So it basically virtually tells you that where to place the microphones for the best pickup. So that's basically the wizard. And these are the 3 features in the ecosystem. Plus, if you want to use find out the statistics of the usage, that's what the stats button is for. So you get into that, and then it can tell you, how much of the STEM ecosystem products have been used for how long. And along with that, the STEM ecosystem also allows you to register it to your SIP calling servers. So that's where the dialer, once the SIP is registered, you can use the dialer functionality to make even SIP calls using the STEM ecosystem. And right now I don't have a SIP server registered, so that's why you get this error. But once you have the SIP registered, you will have a functional dialer which will make the STEM kind of a phone, and then it can dial out. So that's most of the functionalities. And finally, the STEM control can also be used as an interface for making calls. For example, if you have a Zoom room, you can just click on the Zoom option, and it basically changes the interface into a Zoom room controller, and you have a STEM icon to basically switch back to the STEM control interface. So that was the STEM control, which is the key interface if you want to control the STEM ecosystem without having to go through a PC. Thank you so much for watching. For more information, please log on to shure.com/en-in. Thank you.